Do you want to know how you can know about your wallet on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can know about my wallet on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram and then search for wallet. After you search for wallet, you can see the bot over here. Click on the second one and click start. After you click start, you can see that you can click open wallet. Now click I agree to the user terms and services and click continue. In a while, you can access your wallet. You can see that this is a wallet in Telegram made for crypto. Go ahead and click let's go and you can see that your wallet has been added to your system. So guys, this is how you use your wallet on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.